Non-marring pads. Grip firmly and protect your workpiece from scratches and scuffs. Quick grip design. One-handed triggers release the clamps instantly. Sturdy. Resin construction with hardened steel bars to prevent flexing and bending. 140 lbs of force. Keep your workpiece together and evenly distribute 150 lbs of force. Easy to use. Ideal for clamping smaller workpieces and working in confined areas. Top reviews from the United States. These are my go-to clamps. These clamps are extremely useful and versatile and clamp over large distances with impressive force. I don't use any of my old C-clamps and such anymore. However, if I may, the packaging is the plastic anti-theft stuff. The person who came up with that stuff should be sentenced to open an infinite number of them for eternity. I wonder how many people have been cut and bled by it. I was in a hurry, so my hand is wrapped in a paper towel now.